Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve an error alert you might be getting that says the operation could not be completed, error 0x000006ba, and it might involve having to restart the printer spooler service, which is what we're going to do in this tutorial. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial I have in store for you guys today. So we're going to start by right-clicking on the start button, and then you want to left-click on command prompt and in parentheses admin. So left-click on that. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select yes. So now you want to type in net, N-E-T, stop, space, spooler. So there should be a space in between net and stop and spooler. So net, stop, spooler, 2 O's in spooler. And then you hit enter. And now you want to type in net, space, start, space, spooler. This will start the printer spooler service, so it should take a moment. And then I recommend closing out of this command line window, restart your computer and see if the problem has been resolved. If that did not work for you, I'd recommend opening up the start menu, type in services, should be listed right above desktop app. You want to left click on that. The first option or the first entry you want to go down to would be remote procedure call right here. You want to double click on it. You want to make sure startup type is set to automatic and the server status is running. If either one of those is turned off, or I should say if the server status is not running, you should have an option to change both the startup type and the service status. So you want to make sure they are set to automatic and start respectively. Then you want to click on OK once you've made the change if you had to make a change. And then you can go down to Print Spooler, or actually go up a little bit to Print Spooler. Double click on it. You want to make sure startup type for that one is also set to automatic and that the service status is running. If it's turned off, like I just turned it off right here, you want to click on the start button right here to start up the service. And then once you've done that, you can click on OK to close out of the window. You can close out of the services window this time. I'd recommend restarting both your computer and your printer at this time as well, and hopefully your problem has been resolved. So I hope this brief tutorial worked for you guys, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.